Yes, good morning children. Good morning first class children. Very good morning to all. So I hope everyone is started preparing for the test. Have you started the test preparation? Okay, fine first class children. Prepare well for the FA test. Very soon we are going to start. That is from day after tomorrow, from Tuesday onwards, isn't it? So you should have to prepare well for your FA exam. అండ్ టీచర్ కూడా మీకు అందరికీ రివిజన్ పంపించేసాను నోట్లో మెసేజ్ పంపించాను చూసారా. సో అవి బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి ఇంట్లో, అర్థమైందా? సో వాట్ ఐ మీన్ టు సే నౌ, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ వెల్, డూ ద ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇన్ ద రఫ్ నోట్. ఓకే, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ వర్క్, యూ షుడ్ డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద rough book also. Okay, now teacher will give some more revision, that is for, see, forthcoming exam is there, one more. What is that? Essay exam, isn't it? Soon after FA exam you have one more exam, that is essay. Okay, so you have to prepare for the exam also. Now what is the first exam for you? FA. What is that? Formative assessment. Okay, మీకు అందరికి ఒక 10 మార్క్స్ చిన్న ఎగ్జామ్ పెడతాము. సో మీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూడడానికి మేము పెడుతున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ప్రిపేర్ వెల్. Whatever the message I had sent it in the revision, whatever I had sent the revision in the message, you do the practice more. Okay, రఫ్ బుక్ లో బాగా స్పెల్లింగ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. మిస్సింగ్ లెటర్స్ ఇచ్చాను, సర్కిల్ ద ఆడ్ వర్డ్, isn't it? One more bit is there, name the pictures, that also I am going to add afterwards. Okay, that is very simple. Just you see the pictures, మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. ఇది క్యాక్టస్, ఇవి ఏంటి, ఫ్రూట్, వాటర్ మెలానా, మస్క్ మెలానా, పంకిన్, అట్లా కొన్ని పిక్చర్స్ ఇస్తాను మీకు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు circle that picture. Okay, or you can write the name of the word, or you can tick the word, ఏదైనా ఒకటి చేయొచ్చు మనం. Okay, so let me start the revisions now. Teacher had written some words on the board. You don't write now, only for the oral training practice, and later on I will send it in the message children. Okay, this is also revision. These are whatever we are writing on the board, that is only for your exam revision practice children. Okay, ఇది ఉట్టిగా కాపీ చేసుకోవడం, బుక్ బంద్ చేయడం కాదు. ఇది మీరు అందరూ ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఇవి బాగా ఇంట్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం. ఓకే, నేను ఏవేవి ఇస్తున్నాము ఇవన్నీ మీరు ఎగ్జామ్స్కే, ఇవన్నీ అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్కి సంబంధించి మేము పంపిస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, సో బీ ప్రిపేర్ వెల్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్. దట్ బిఫోర్ ఐ హెడ్ సెండ్ దట్ రివిజన్ ఫర్ FA, దట్ ఆల్సో ప్రిపేర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జామ్ పర్పస్. ఓకే, అండ్ యూ డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, సో let me start the oral drilling practice. Be ready with your teacher. First let me start with the sense organs. Okay, what are the sense organs? Eyes, EYES, eyes. NOSE, nose. EAR, ear. Even tongue is a sense organ. Ear, eyes, ears, nose, isn't it? What are the sense organs? Plants, PLANT, plant is a living things. ANIMALS, animals are what? Living things. Humans, 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 what are this? Living thing. Humans are also living things. What about bird? Bird is also living thing. BIRDS, birds. Ball, no, non-living things. Come back to non-living things. What are the non-living things? BALL, ball. BOOK, book. PEN, pen. FAN, fan. BAT, bat. Table, TABLE, table. DOLL, doll. Elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Spider, SPIDERS, spiders. Okay, you can write spider. Spell the word of birds. Birds already I had given for you. Instead of birds we will go for another word. I will show you another shelter we can write. Okay, instead of that we can write the another any shelter name, that is stable. STABLE, stable. Next, another shelter. What is the name of the shelter? Den. Which animal? Lion lives in a den. DEN, den. Hen lives in a coop. COOP, coop. Cow live in a where? It lives in a where? Shed. SHED, shed. Next, small animal. What is it here? Ant is a what? It's not only small animal, it is an insect. ANT, ant. Nest. Nest is also a shelter. NEST, nest. Okay, get ready. Eyes, nose, ear, plants, animals, humans, birds. Okay. Okay, once again, eyes, nose, ear, plants, animals, humans, birds. Next, now what are here? Non-living things. Living things, sense organ we have completed. Living things we have completed. Now we are coming back to non-living things. What are they? Ball, book, pen, fan, bat, table, doll. What are those? Non-living things. Next one. Here, big animal is elephant. Elephant is a big animal, which is not an insect. Butterfly or spider? Spider is not an insect. Why? Because it has how many legs? 8 legs. Okay. So, stable. Now we are coming back to shelters. What are they? Stable, den, coop, shed and nest. Which is a small animal? Ant. Ant is not only small animal but it is an insect. Okay children. So we had completed how many words? 22. All small words I had given to you, which we have done already. Those words practice. We have done all those words practice, isn't it? Now get ready for the next few words. That is, get ready for the next word is butterfly. Spell the word of butterfly. Another insect name. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Okay. Housefly. H-O-U-S-E. House. F-L-Y. Fly. Housefly. Next one. Okay. Next insect is NF. Those 3 insects I had given. Ant, butterfly and housefly. Okay. The next one we will go with the rabbit. Spell the word of rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Okay. Spell the word of carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Okay. So where it lives? Burrow. Where it lives? Burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W. Burrow. Okay, enough. So these are the hard words which I had given to you. So how many insects I had given? Ant, butterfly, housefly, rabbit, carrot, burrow. Okay, please do the practice more. Whatever the hard words I had given, these are for the exam purpose only. Okay, but don't think those many words will come for FA. No. If this is for the next forthcoming exams, don't worry. Okay, now whatever the previous I had said, that is for FA revision. This is also for revision purpose, for your exam purpose only. So do the practice regularly. Okay, these are for the practice for what? Regular homework. Okay, so do all those hard words. Whatever the lesson I had completed, then I will send the portion, syllabus I will send you, then I will send the model paper, then later on I will start this. We will start with the revisions. Okay. So I think this class is very clear. Now your turn is to do the hard words only. Practice. If you do the hard work, practice, you can write any question answers. You can write fill in the blanks. You can write complete the word of anything you can write. Okay children. So try to understand. You have to go through the hard words very well. Do the practice at home. Okay children. So whatever we are giving the revisions, you do the practice. Okay. Thank you children. I hope this class is very clear and be safe.